Okay, Mike. So what do we have here?
We have the power plant of a 1979 KTM 620.
79?
No,
97.
97.
Okay.
Being dyslexic. That's
Dyslexic.
okay. And he said he fired it up and was running it, and it
Had a slight miss?
no, he said it locked up on him.
Locked up. Okay.
He said it locked up.
A little more than a slight miss.
Yeah, so we took this off
We got the valve cover off.
and we found
We did work on this a little bit before, and
that the valves are not quite closed. And so then we took the cam out with its associated parts and the chain and all that good stuff. And then we took this head off
this is where it gets interesting.
and we found something's missing.
Where is Mr. Piston?
And we got a bent valve there.
Maybe Mr. Piston is there.
We got a bent valve there.
Uh-huh.
We got a piece of something under that one. That one looks like it might be closed,
Yeah.
but this head doesn't look.
Well, the two intake valves look like they might actually close once that little chunk gets out of that intake valve. We'll have to pull all that apart and see. But inside here, it's quite entertaining because there's absolutely, well, there's remnants of a piston down in there, but my goodness, talk about destruction.
It is.
It's a piston destruction, yo. Motor ain't nothing. The whole bike is becoming a disgrace.
Pretty much. It's. I mean, the oil actually doesn't look too bad.
No, the oil doesn't look bad, and some of the oil surfaces, it all happened at once and quick. It died a quick death.
It died a very quick death, but I think with some work, I think we might be able to make this thing happen again. Let's see.
Okay. Okay, so basically, Mike, my neighbor Mike, came to me and said, "Hey, let's go to Athol and check out this motorcycle." So you can see what this motorcycle consists of. This is a motorcycle. But that being said, you know, this is what we have of the motorcycle. Pretty much all the pieces are there. There's some bits and pieces. But this thing showed up here in about the same condition. So you can see where it will end up. And that one there was in similar condition. That one came to us, came to Mike in one piece. So both of these came in similar condition to this thing here. And this one's kind of special because it's a 620cc dirt bike. Enduro. It's got mirrors and some little bits and pieces on it. It's not too hillbillied like some of the stuff we've looked at.
Yeah, it could be worse, I guess.
Absolutely.
There's still some.
The frame looks, I'll tell you what, the frame is 100 times better than that frame.
Yes.
That frame there, we spent a day bending, welding.
The blue one.
Oh, the blue one, this one. Okay, this is the one we bent and welded.
That's the one that was.
This is the one that was damaged. This was a mess. This bike is more complete than that bike was. And this bike is not very complete.
Just because.
What does Misty say? Can you howl?
How? Can you bark? Speak.
She's a talker.
Yeah, she is.
She's a talker. And this is what we're working on right here. KTM motorcycles, and we're working on the 620. I don't know how to say that in Austrian. 620.
That'll work.
But that's it. That's what that will look like.
It's getting there.
Perfect. Okay, here's a picture of the carnage, or some of the carnage. It's been cleaned a little bit, but you can still see some bits and pieces. Cases have been separated. A special tool had to be used to pull the balancer off.
There's the barrel. And this here, this is the piston.
Oh. Shoot, that piston, we can still use that, dude.
I
We
know.
take it together a few pieces, and this thing is going to be
Yeah.
roaring. And that
Yeah.
cylinder really
I mean-
doesn't look that bad. And that valve there, that valve does not really need to close. I mean,
Yeah.
it's closed on one side.
Yeah, it'll work.
So since it's closed, you know, it's like 20% closed.
Yeah.
Is that a magnet? Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. And you, let's do this here. So here's the frame. The frame looks like it's in just phenomenal condition. And you said you think somebody welded on these. You know?
Well, they welded looks like they welded this outer piece onto that peg. So that it made them
It does,
wider.
doesn't it?
Yep. I'm almost certain of it.
Yeah. But other than that, the frame looks like it's in phenomenal condition. Yeah.
I mean, here's all the headset and all that stuff.
And the bars are straight.
Bars are straight.
Better than the last couple motorcycles.
Yeah, I mean, these bars are straight. There's not, they're,
Yeah, they do.
Haven't
They
bent
look
'em.
really straight.
so,
Right on. And was this part of the?
that's clamp.
Is that for the
That's for the Scott's, the damper.
the damper?
The damper. Yeah, that's
Oh, there it goes. Okay.
just like that.
And there's a kickstand going to need some work. It's a little blown it out.
Yeah, a little bent.
But that's the fun part about this whole thing.
Oh, yeah.
We've got some shop dogs here. Shop rats running around. Nice. Swing arm. There's the last victim.
Actually, the shock for that, the new shock for it, right there.
Oh, oh, you just got to put the spring on it.
That's it. Well, it needs to be charged,
Yeah.
but yep, it's basically rebuilt, ready to rock.
Right on. Perfect.
Yep.
And then that one's going to be, and that's the, yeah.
And it's lowered
Okay.
so it's gonna drop that thing down a little bit.
Yep, it's lowered.
So, and
Booyah.